So dear students, today we are going to discuss one more point or one more chapter in this bridge course, that is exponents and powers. Exponents and powers. Exponents and powers. In the 7th class, you already learned about the things about the exponents and powers. But today we will discuss all those things which you learned, and whatever you are going to learn in the class, that also we will discuss. First, I am going to write something here. Just see. If I write a raised to n, you can write in your notebook a raised to n. Then one second. Here a is called as base. A is called as base. Okay. And n is power. Observe here. A is base and n is power. That means upper part here. This n is called as power, and this a is called as base. You have to remember this one, right? Next, if you observe one more thing, if I write 2 raised to 5 like this, then we can write this as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 5 times we will write. If I write 3 raised to 4, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 4 times we written. If I write m raised to 6, what should I write? Anybody? What is m raised to 6?
M multiplication 6.
6 times m multiplied by 6 times itself. Right? M into m into m into m. Is it right? 6 times we written. Right? The next point, if you see the next point, what we are going to write? 3 divided by 5 raised to 8. This is also we have to write. We can write 3 divided by 5 into 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 how many times? 5. Next, 3 divided by 5. 6 times over. 7 times, then finally 8 times. We return 8 times, right? Whichever or whatever number we will get and whatever power we will get, we have to write like this only. ಈ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. Powers ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. We given that name as power exponents and powers. Here I am going to explain once again. If you write a raised to m, I have taken previously a raised to m, but now I have taken as a raised to m. What is the m? M is power. What is a? A is the base, right? We have to think this one. A is the base, m is the power. ನೀವು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. A is like earth. Okay, A is like it always below. ಇದು ಕೆಳಗಡೆನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, right? Is the power. ಅದು ದೇವರಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ದೇವರ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಪವರ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಪವರ್. ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾರಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನ ಹೊಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ ಅಷ್ಟು ಪವರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. However, this m increases, the power increases. That means the value increases. M means power, base means A means base. However, m increases, power is increases. Note, power ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಆ value ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. For example, just see here, 3 raised to 2 means 3 into 3, right? 3 3 is 9. 3 raised to 3, 3 into 3 into 3, 27. Right? One power increased, the value increased 3 times. 3 raised to 4, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That means 81. If you observe here, 3 raised to 2 and 3 raised to 4. 3 to the power of 2 and 3 to the power of 4. If you compare, 9 times increases. Idu 9 times increase again. Right? So, if you increase one more, 3 raised to 5, you can write 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 5 times. What will be the answer? Yaradru ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ?
243.
243. Very good. 343. This is the value, right? If you goes on increasing the value, increasing the power increase adange, value also goes on increasing. Value ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ increase ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. If you decrease the power, ಇದನ್ನ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ರಿ, 3 raised to 5, 3 raised to 4, 3 raised to 3, 3 raised to 3, 3 raised to 2, ಅವಾಗ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So we have to remember this thing also. So today we will discuss one more point that is very important. If you write something like this, 64, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ, if it is 64, then how you are going to write the things? ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು? In the how you are going to write this 64? Observe. 64 you can write like this. ಈ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಬರ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. You goes on dividing this. ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಹೆಂಗೆ? Divided by 2 or divided by 3, divided by 4, like this goes on divided. 2 3s are 2 2s are. Again 2 2 1s are 2 6s are. Again 2 8s are. Again 2 4s are. Again 2 2s are. Finally 2 1s are. That means 64 is equal to, you can write 2 into 2 into 2 into, how many times are 2 are there? Is it 6 times? You can write, observe note. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. How many times we multiplied here? How many times 2 is multiplied? 6 times. So 2 raised to 6. We can write this 64 as 2 raised to 6. Okay. One more problem we are going to discuss here. That is 196. Okay. 196. Observe this 196. You just start from 2 or 3. 2, 3, 4, 5. ಇಂತದ್ದು 2, 3, 5. ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದನೇ ಮಾಡಿ. ಜಲ್ದಿ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 9s are 18. 2 8s are 16. Then 2 4s are 8. 2 9s are 18. Now it will not divided by 2. 3 ಇಂದ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. 4 5 6 no, but you can divide it by 7. 7 7s are 49. Then again 7 1s are 7, right? How we are going to write this one? 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. Now you can write like this. How? 2. How many times we multiplied 2? 2 times. So 2 raised to 2. 7 2 times. 7 raised to 2. Like this you can write, right? Third one more point. Let's see. Let's take 100 and one second. Let's take 200 directly. 200. We are going to write this 200 like this. 200, right? 2 hundreds are 200. Okay. Next to 250s. Next to 225s. Now it is not divisible by 2, 3, 4 agala. Next to 5. 5 5s. Then 5 1s. Right. So we are going to write 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So what is the answer now? 2 we multiplied 3 times. So 2 raised to 3. 5 we multiplied how many times? 2 times. So we are going to write 5 raised to 2. So if you observe problems like this, you can write all those things. One more problem, fourth one, we will solve. Now, anybody can give any number, yavadadu number kodutira anybody? Yes.
500.
56.
Okay, 56. Let's take small number, 56. So 56 we are going to write like this. First we will divide it by 2. 2 2s are 2 8s are. Next again 2 1s are 2 4s are. Again 2 7s are. Finally 7 7 1s are. How we are going to write this 56? 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. So how many times we multiplied by 2? 3 times. So 2 raised to 3, 7. Only one time. So 7 raised to 1. You can write like this also. Okay. So you just write down these problems. If you are having any doubt, you can ask. Yes, write down. Any doubt, you can ask to me. Yes, anybody? No doubt? Then very good. You just write down.
No doubt, sir.
Very good. This method is very important just because if you get any number like 2 raised to 3, you can write 2 into 2 into 2, right? That is very easy. But it is the reverse form. They will give a number and ask to write in the form of exponents. ಇದನ್ನ exponential form ನೇ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಅಂತೀವಿ. Here we can get only one number. ನೋಡ್ರಿ. You can get only one exponent or two. Sometimes you can get 3 4 like that also. Okay, discuss here. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಇದರ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. We will take 512. Okay, 500 we are going to take 512. Okay, 512 number. How to solve this 512? First we are going to divide it by 2. 2 2s are. If you don't know how to divide, then you can use the like this also. We are going to divide it by 2, right? 2 1s are 2 or 2 2s are. Okay, 2 2s are 4. 1 2 5s are 10. Here also 1. 2 6s are 12. Right? You can use like this also. ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ರೈಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ರಫ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay, so 200 2 2s are 2 5s are 2 6s are. Again 2 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 8s are. Again 2 2 6s are 12. Then 2 4s are 8. Next 2 3s are and 2 2s are. Again 2 1s are 2 6s are. 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are. Finally 2 1s are. So how we are going to write this? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times we can write? 9 times, right? Then 2 into 2 into 2. So 512 is equal to 2 raised to 9 or something. If you want to write in the different form, ನೀವು ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬೇರೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೂ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. You can divide it by 4. It is divisible by 4. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 4 ones are 4. Okay. Next 4 twos are 8. Next 4 eights are 32. Again, if you want to write in the form of 4, write 4 threes are, next 4 twos are. Here is 4 eights are, 4 twos are. Finally 2 ones are. So that 512 is equal to 4 into 4 into 4 into 2. That means 4 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 1. You can write like this also. Or otherwise, if you don't want like this, ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಡ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. If you don't want this also, you can write like this also. How? Just observe. You can directly go through 8 also. Okay, 8 6 are 48, 8 4s are 32, 8 8s are, then 8 1s are. At that time 512 is equal to 8 into 8 into 8. That is 8 raised to 3. Like this also you can solve. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಇದಿಲ್ಲ. You can write generally. You can use any number if it is divisible. ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ. So this is the point we already discussed. So write down this one. So now if you observe, find the value. Find the value. First problem. 3 into 4 raised to 2. 3 into 4 raised to 2. We are going to solve this problem now. So now can you see the screen clearly? Clear ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ screen?
Yes, sir.
ಬರೆಯೋದು ಕಂಡ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. 3 into 4 raised to 2. How to solve this problem? Observe now. 3 we can't write in the different form. 3 is 3 only. 4 raised to 2. How we are going to 4 raised to 2? Right, like this. 4 into 4. Now 3 4s are 12. Right. 12 4s are, yes, anybody? 3 4s are 12. 12 4s are 48. Very good. So 12 4s are 48. That means the value of 3 into 4 raised to 2 is equal to 40. One more problem. 5 raised to 2 into 10 raised to 3. Right. So how we are going to write 5 raised to 2? How we are going to write 5 raised to 2? Anybody? 3?
5 into 5, sir. 5 into 5.
Very good. 5 into 5. 10 raised to 3?
10 into 10 into 10, sir. 10 into 10.
Yes, 3 times. Very good. Now tell me, what is 5 into 5? 25. 25 tens are 25 tens are 250.
250, sir.
2000.
2500.
Very good. 2500 into 10.
25,000, sir.
Very good. 25,000. That is the answer. Right. Third problem. One more. 5 into 6 raised to 2 into 10 raised to 2. Right. 5 is 5a only here. 6 is, sorry, 1 second. 6 is 5 is 6 into 6. 10 square is 10 into 10. Now tell me how to solve this problem. First we have to multiply 5 into 6. What is 5 into 6?
30, sir. 30.
30. Okay. 30 into 6. What is 30 into 6? We are multiplying here. Anybody can multiply?
180.
180 into into 10. 180 into 10. Yes,
1800, sir.
180 into 10. 1800. Very good. 1800 into 10.
18,000.
Very good. 18,000 is the answer. This is the answer, right? This is the 7th class bridge course. Okay, 7th class bridge course means you are 8th class, so from 7th to 8th, this is the bridge course for exponential form. You have to solve the problems like this. You can solve it. So this is the today's class. Okay, today we are learned about how to find the values. Once again, I am going to explain all those things. All those things I am going to repeat. First, find the value. Find the value. How to find the values? 2 raised to 3. 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8. Find the value. Like this you can solve easily. Second, write in the form of exponential, or write in the exponential form. Write in the exponential form. Exponential form. How you are going to write in the exponential form? Observe. We done 64, right? 64 we already done like this. You can write it like this also. 8 into 8. 8 is a 64, 8 is a 8, right? 8 into 8, which is equal to 8 square. It is in the form of exponential form. Like this we already did. Third, find the value of this, right? And also find the value of this also. Find the value. The third point we already discussed today, right? 2 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 2. How we are going to write? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. What is 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 3s are 36. So this is the problem. Once again, if you see, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. Like this, we already discussed these 3 points. Questions? Whenever you and we are free, then you can discuss all those things if you are having any doubts. Right? So today we will complete this class. If you are having any doubts, you can ask.
Dear friends, one more thing, please subscribe our channel and please follow it. Please take care. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್.